Well, I did a little ballasting yesterday, something I'm definitely not that good at, but you know, I do try when I do these layouts. And the old Sacramento Northern going by. And this is Northern California Day on the railroad. I was right behind it. There's Western Pacific. This is a fantasy locomotive, but that's okay. Pulling some older UP stock, Union Pacific. And of course we have Ballasting Rock here. I love that name, Ballasting Rock. As I said in the previous video, that's a piece of bark that I cut off a log. And that AC 4400 that just went by, that has the QSI quantum sound system in there. And try and get a closer view of the ballast here. I added some of this brownish reddish ballast to it, as I have seen that on real railroads before. Trolley cars are on strike today. Those dirty Union bastages. The old logging area. And there we have it.